Publer is a tool that helps you schedule and manage posts for multiple social media accounts from one place. Now, in this video, I'm going to tell you about Publer's affiliate program and how much money you can actually earn if you become their affiliate. I've included the link in the description to try Publer if you want to check it out. Now, make sure to stick around to the end of the video because I'm going to tell you how much money I made from a different affiliate program where I got very few views on my video. And at the end, I'm also going to tell you how you can actually start your own affiliate marketing business even if you're a complete beginner, so you don't want to miss that. So the way that Publer's affiliate program works is that you become what's called an ambassador. So you have to apply to their affiliate program, and once you get accepted, these are the rates that you can get for commissions. So you'll get 25 cents for each legitimate user that you bring, regardless if they upgrade or not, but you have to make sure they're not bots and they're actual users. You earn 50% commission on the first monthly payment for each new customer that you bring in, and then 20% recurring for every customer as long as they don't cancel their subscription. So if you have a bunch of customers, people signing up and paying you, you can be making on average more than 25% commission every single month for a pretty long period of time. So you can see how that would stack up. Now let me show you how much I made as an affiliate from a different affiliate program with very few views. So here's my dashboard for ScaleNut, which is a content creation platform that uses AI to help people with their SEO so that you can get found in search results. As you can see, with just 11 clicks on my affiliate link, I got one person to sign up to ScaleNut, and this one sign up has already made me almost $90 in commissions. Now this says unpaid earnings because they had a minimum threshold of $50, which it didn't meet last month. So in this payment cycle, this money will actually get released to me. Now 89 bucks might now sound like a lot of money until you look at the videos on my channel that actually led to this result. These are some of the videos that I posted on my channel: Show Me Software, ScaleNut versus Jasper, only 15 views, 24 views, 10 views, 2 views, right? 3 views, 7 views. So I have like about 10 or so videos about ScaleNut posted, and mostly they're very short videos, like 2-minute videos, and they have very few views, and that has already made me almost $90 in commissions. Now the person who signed up, as long as they stay subscribed to ScaleNut's subscription plan, every single month I'm going to earn about $45. So this number is going to continue to go up most likely. Now imagine scaling this strategy up and having dozens or even hundreds of super short videos on your channel, each with an affiliate link. You can stack your monthly commissions and start making life-changing income way faster than most people realize. Now the problem is that most people don't understand the strategies to actually have a successful affiliate marketing business, because you can't just spam random content and throw your affiliate link around everywhere if you want to make serious money. I would recommend trying out Wealthy Affiliate, which is one of the oldest and most trusted affiliate marketing education platforms in the world. So as you can see on their website, they've been around for almost 20 years with over 2.6 million people who signed up for their training. And the best part is that you can actually get started completely for free with no credit card required. So if I log into my dashboard here on Wealthy Affiliate, you can see that they have lots of classes. You can learn about YouTube and copywriting and affiliate marketing through social media and email marketing. So you really learn how to make money with affiliate marketing on Wealthy Affiliate, and it's an absolutely amazing platform. So you can use the link in the description to get started with Wealthy Affiliate completely for free. And if you want to try out ScaleNut, then I also included the link in the description for that. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns in the comment section, and I'll get back to you ASAP. Thanks for watching.